Good Wednesday morning, friends. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here, and I have to give a quick shout out to not one, but two schools I had the pleasure of visiting yesterday. Let me get out of the way. Both in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. This is a Quinn Elementary School, and the first graders, we had a blast. Talked about the water cycle, precipitation types, clouds, severe weather, climate change, hurricanes. They had awesome questions and brought the energy. Then I zipped down the street to the DeMello Elementary School. These are the kindergartners. Look at how they are just sitting there. Such good listeners. We were watching the water cycle song, and I know teachers, it's stuck in your head now. It's stuck in mine, and it was all night last night too. These kids, we did some wiggles, we did some singing, and they were incredible. Thank you to both schools for having me down for an enrichment program. If you're a teacher or a parent or a student and you'd like an enrichment program, you can reach out. Contact at onedegreeoutside.com, and right on our website too, there's a whole area for enrichment programs you can check out, onedegreeoutside.com. All right, let's dive into the forecast. Noyes Notes as we get started out here. 70s again today, an unseasonably warm October day again. Low humidity, gusty breeze. A combination of those two things mean elevated fire concerns. Fires catch and spread quickly. Keep that in the back of your mind. Fall air returns tomorrow and sticks around through the start of next week. So more seasonable temperatures will return before another warm up. So the little roller coaster ride of fall temperatures continues. Now that gusty breeze, speaking of which, predicted wind gusts today out of the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Right now, we'll kick up 20 to 30 miles per hour through the afternoon. Even some gusts over 30 from the Champlain Valley to the Crown of Maine during the late afternoon and evening hours. May even see an isolated gust to 40 in down East Maine and the mid-coast here this evening. Otherwise, it will throttle back a little bit, pre-dawn tomorrow. 10 to 20 mile per hour gusts in eastern New England. It's already kicking back up, though, in western New England. That's as the wind shifts around behind a cold front, so the wind will be northwest tomorrow and will once again be gusting about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So bottom line, you're going to notice it the next couple of days. Feels like forecast for the kiddos. A little bit of fog out there in patches this morning, a fall jacket, cool start. Could certainly be a whole lot colder this time of the year, but it warms quickly. So short sleeve shorts as we rise into the 70s this afternoon. I'd say 72 to 78 is a pretty popular number on the map today. Low to mid 70s here all the way from central New Hampshire back up into the crown of Maine, northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire today with lots of sunshine. One spot there may be some stubborn clouds. Along the immediate south coast, we'll have some patches of blue sky, but the low-level clouds may be a little bit stubborn until later on. Either side of 70 for the Crown of Maine and mid to upper 60s from the coastline to the Maine Turnpike this afternoon. Overnight tonight, a passing shower. This is the cold front that comes in to northwestern New England first. So a scattered brief shower through the overnight, and then the cooler air does come in behind it. So many of us in western New England dip into the 40s, but most of us in eastern New England will stay relatively mild in the 50s with that wind out of the south shifting around as the front comes in early tomorrow morning. We'll time out any wet weather tomorrow coming up and take you out through the upcoming weekend in detail in our Insights video later on today.